Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily had a heart that was as vast as the sky, and a passion that burned as bright as the sun. But what set Lily apart from the other children was her love for wild horses. Every day, she would venture out to the grassy plains, hoping to catch a glimpse of the wild horses that roamed freely, untamed and free. She loved their fiery spirits and the way they danced across the landscape. One day, as Lily sat by the river, she noticed a strange thing. A wild horse, injured and alone, stumbled into the clearing. Lily, filled with compassion, approached the horse slowly, speaking softly to it. The horse, though frightened, allowed Lily to tend to its wounds. She fed it, cleaned it, and made a shelter for it to rest. And as the days passed, the horse began to trust Lily more and more. Little by little, the horse healed. Its wounds closed, its spirit returned, and it began to run with the other wild horses once more. But it always returned to Lily, to thank her for her kindness and love. The villagers, seeing Lily's devotion, began to understand the beauty of wild horses. They saw not just beasts, but creatures with hearts and souls, capable of friendship and love. And so, they vowed to protect these wild horses, to let them roam free and live as they were meant to. From that day forward, Lily and the wild horses lived in harmony. The village flourished, and so did the herd, and Lily, the girl who loved wild horses, grew up to be a woman who was loved by all. The end.